Okay, so let's continue graphing using standard form. Got a couple of different equations here, different functions that create some new challenges, and we'll just handle them. So again, the idea is it's in standard form, so let me rewrite the form right above it so we can kind of compare and contrast. In this case, we see that A is equal to -1/4. So this tells us we're going through a compression and we're going to be flipped downwards. So our vertex is now going to be serving as a high point. Where is the vertex? Well, if you think in terms of transformations, we're adding 4, so we're shifting to the left 4, and we're subtracting 5, so we're shifting down 5. If you match the formula, I need a subtraction statement here. So we can rewrite this as -1/4 x minus -4 squared plus -5. So there's my h. It's sitting at -4. And there's my k, -5, which matches. We're shifting to the left 4, we're shifting down 5. So that's basically what our graph is. And so we can go to -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so there's where our graph basically is on this guy. All right, and so our axis of symmetry is right here, and we're opening downwards. So I'm going to have to make sure that I put a nice point. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put another grid together because I think we're going to run out of room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's where that graph is. So sorry about that. So there's my axis of symmetry. We're a parabola opening down. So where are we? Well, we got to find a third point. Again, the easiest one to do is our y-intercept. Put a 0 in there. And it looks like we get -1/4 times 16. That gives us a -4 minus 5, -9. So 0, -9 is where this graph is going to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's another data point. Of course, we're 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from the axis of symmetry. So its mirror image would be 1, 2, 3, 4 points over here. So there would be a quick sketch, pretty accurate sketch of this function. Its vertex is sitting at -4, -5. Its y-intercept is at 0, -9. And it looks like we're over here at -8, -9 is the third point. And all the rest of the graph will essentially follow. So there you have it. Next graph, again, let me rewrite the form right above it. And if we rewrite stuff, we have -2. This is x minus a -1 squared and plus 4. So it looks like A is -2. So again, we're going to be a little skinny going down. It looks like H is -1, and it looks like K is 4. So my vertex is sitting at -1/4. Okay, so there's my vertex. And of course, my axis of symmetry is the line x equals -1. So just kind of draw a nice dashed line. And so all I have to do is find a point to its left and its right. Again, that easiest point is a y-intercept. So if I plug 0 into here, we're going to get -2 times 1, which is -2 plus 4. We're going to get a 2. So 0, 2 looks like it's the y-intercept. Of course, because of my axis of symmetry, if we're 1 unit this way, we're going to be 1 unit that way. And so there is the graph of that one. I have 3 points. My vertex, 1, -4. My y-intercept, 0, 2. And then this other point looks like it's -2, 2. All right. If you wanted to do more, you could. But, we're really only plotting 1 point in terms of point plotting, the old technique, using the axis of symmetry, using the formula to tell us the vertex. And that's how we get our 3 points. All right. So one more round of practice, and then we'll keep on moving forward.